In this video, we are going to discuss the equation of a circle and its graph. The standard form of the equation of a circle is given by the standard form of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square, where the h and k is the center of a circle, and whereas the r is the radius of the circle. So the formula is here. The center is h comma k, and the radius is given by r. So how the graph look like the circle? So it is a round shape. So this is the point, we call it as the center of the circle. And if you draw the line any part of the circle, it is the radius. So this is my radius and this is the center, that is h comma k. Now let us go with the first example. Find the equation of a circle whose center is 4, 1 and the radius is 2. So here, what are the given things here? H, k is given. You have r and you have to find the equation of the circle. First, I have to write it the standard form of the circle. What is the standard form here? The standard form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square. Now everything it is given in the question, therefore I just substitute. So x minus 4 whole square, that is the h, and y minus k value is 1 whole square equal r square. What is r square? This is 2 square. If you further simplify, the final answer will be x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal 4. So this is the standard form of the circle. Standard form of the equation of a circle. So this is the first example where the center and radius are given. In the next problem, we will have a reverse. So here the equation is given. You are asked to find the center and the radius. This, it is the reciprocal of the above problem. So here the center and radius is given. You are finding the equation of a circle. But in this problem, equation is given. You have to calculate the center and the radius. So how will you calculate this one? Now the given equation is given by, the given equation of a circle is x minus 3x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal 25. Now I can compare with the standard form of the equation of a circle. What is the standard form? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square. Now if you compare these two, so what is r square value equal? What is r square? So r square is equals 25. If you take a square root, r equal 5. So I can calculate the radius. This is the radius of the circle. This is finished. Now one more thing I have to find, that is the center. So what is the center here? The h and k. The k is clearly, the k value is 2, but here h, I can write it this minus as minus of minus, because in the formula I need the minus. That's why the h and k you will calculate as the center. The center h comma k. So always if it is plus, I have to take it the opposite sign. Therefore the center is minus 3 comma k value is 2. So this is my center. So this is a question. Find the center and radius of the circle. So the circle equation is given. You have to find the center and radius. Now, the next problem here, you have to find the equation of a circle whose center is given. Okay. So what are the things I need? The center is given. H comma K is given. But the last problem, if you see the first problem, the R is given, directly we will substitute. But here R is not given. Instead of R, they are given passing through the point. There is a point is given without R. So you have to calculate this one. First of all, I write it. The standard form of the circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal 1, equal R, so equal R square. Then h and k is given, just I replace h and k. What is h? H is equal minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus, it become plus 3 whole square equal R square. So this is my equation number 1. Now it passes through. It says it passes through. So I write it here. It passes through 1 comma 2. When I substitute 1, you will get what? 1 minus 1. In place of x, you have to substitute the 1. In place of y, you have to substitute the 2. When I substitute the x value in 1 minus 1, this is 0. You will get 0. Then next, plus, when I substitute 2 plus 4, 2 plus 3 whole square is equal R square. Therefore, R square is equal 25. So R is equal 5. So radius, I need the 5 value. So I just replace in equation number 1. So what the equation number 1 implies? The one gives, so x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal, so R I have to replace. What is the R square? I need the R square, mafi R here. So therefore R square is 25. So R square I need, therefore I replace R square equal 25. This is the equation of a circle whose center is 1 comma minus 3 and passing through. So here if it is passing through is given, you have to find the R by substituting the x and y value in the equation. Now the next one, we will have find the center and radius of the circle. And since this equation, the given equation is not in the proper form. If you see the first proper form, the proper form should be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal R square. From this, I can compare the h, k, r. So this is h. I will compare. If you take the square root, I will get the radius. But here it is not in the standard form. I have to make this one as a standard form. How? So here this is x square. I write it the like terms, that is x terms together, minus 6x, and here plus y square, and I will move the constant on other side. You will have minus 5. The same equation, I write it together, the x term, x square minus 6x plus y square equal minus 5. After that, I have to make this one as a completing a square. So perfect square. So what is the missing term? There is a missing term here. So what are they? So I will write it 2b as a formula. It is equal minus 6. B equal minus 3. B square equal 9. So I will add 9 on the left side. I will add 9 on the right side. Clear? After that, this is a perfect square. What is this one perfect square? X minus 3 plus y square equal plus 4. So now I can compare this one with the standard format. The standard form of the circle. This is actually the standard format will be what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square. From this one, I can compare what is the h. What is h here? H comma k. H value is here. The value of h is 3. And what about the k value? There is 0. So here it is 0. There is nothing. K is there minus. So therefore I will write it the y square. I can write it the y square as y minus 0 whole square. This is same. So therefore the k value is here 0. So I will write it this one as 3 comma 0 is my center. And what about the radius? R square is equal 4. Then R is equal 2. So R is equal 2 is my radius of the circle. Now we will take it one more example in the similar way. What is the difference between this problem and this problem? Here you have to make the only the x term, you have to make the perfect square. But here you have to make the x as well as y. That is the only difference. So let us go with this. So it is the same story. We will do it again. So I will do it the like terms together. What happened here? X square, then minus 6x. I write it together. Then, so what is the next term? We have y square. Here I write it y square. And the y square term minus 4y equal, if I move this, the constant other side, it will become minus 12. Now, I have to make this one as a completing a perfect square. So, how will you make this one completing square? So, it is the same rule. I will take the 2b equal this one, minus 6. b equal come, so minus 3. If it is b square, which is 9. So, I will add plus 9 on the right side. I will add plus 9 on the left side. Okay. Now, the next one here, what is 2b here? The 2b is equal minus 4. So b is equal minus 2. B square is equal 4. Therefore, I will add plus 4 on the left side. I will add plus 4 on the right side. So now what we'll have here? So this one, it becomes, what is the perfect square for this? Whole square. Take the square root, you will have x. As a sign here, you will have minus. Take the square root, you will have 3. X minus 3 whole square. If you expand, you will get this one. A minus b whole square. You will get x square minus 6x plus 9. Next, similarly, what about this part? What about this part? So this one, I write it here whole square. This is y minus, take the square root, you will have 2. So y minus 2 whole square is the perfect square of this term. Equal, it is minus 12 plus 13, which is equal plus 1. Now this is in the standard format of the equation of a circle. Now I can easily compare. What is your h? This is my h, this is my k. And what about the r square? This one. So let us go with this one. The center, I write it here. Center is h comma k. And one more thing you have to remember, the h is always with x and k is always with y. So therefore the center is given by 3 comma 2. So this is my center. Now what about the radius? The radius r square is given as 1. If you take a square root, you will get 1. Therefore, r is equal 1. So, all the different types of problem in the equation of circle we have discussed in this video. So, thank you.